Hello everybody, we are going to talk about what do you mean by artificial pollination. Everybody know that pollination is the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. अगर सेम प्रोसेस आर्टिफिशियल तरीके से किया जाता है तो हम इसको आर्टिफिशियल पॉलिनेशन कहते हैं. आर्टिफिशियल पॉलिनेशन was performed by Mendel while doing his experiment. And nowadays it is also performed by the plant breeders to get the desired hybrid plant or desired hybrid seed. So in NEET 2026 the question will be sequence based question about the steps of artificial pollination. The first step is always the selection of pure parents. Pure parents is always obtained by selfing for number of generation. Once the pure parents is obtained, we are ready for the next step called emasculation. Emasculation is nothing but the removal of stamen before anthesis under bud condition. If the stamens are deleted with the help of forceps, then sex of the flower will turn into a female. Now this particular female flower is going to be covered with the help of polythene bag or butter paper, and the process is called as a bagging. Once the bagging is done, the purpose of bagging is to prevent the entry of unwanted pollen. Now in the next step we are going to collect the pollen. We are going to collect the pollen from the plant, which we are going to consider them as a male parent. Once the pollen are collected with the help of brush, we are going to dust same pollen on a female parent plant. Transfer of pollen onto the stigma of the bagged flower. Now again rebagging is always required to prevent the again entry of unwanted pollen. Once the rebagging is done, we move on to a seventh step called tagging. During the process of tagging, we are going to write the date of the experiment. We are also going to mention the character in which we are going to study in this particular plant. Once the tagging is done, we are ready for the collection of seed. Now finally the fruit will form, and within the fruit the mature seeds are going to be formed, and we call this particular seed as a hybrid seed. Always remember selection, emasculation, bagging of pollen, dusting, rebagging, tagging and collection of seed. Always remember bagging is always done after the emasculation, while rebagging is always done after the process of dusting. All the best.